Hunter Biden, son of President Joe Biden, has been a figure of public interest and controversy. His business dealings and personal struggles have drawn intense scrutiny, particularly from political opponents. This scrutiny intensified with allegations of wrongdoing. These allegations led to a federal investigation into Hunter Biden's tax affairs and overseas business activities. The investigation culminated in a guilty plea from Hunter Biden on tax-related charges. He also agreed to a diversion program on a separate gun charge. However, it did not quell the political firestorm surrounding the case. Republicans, unconvinced by the plea deal, vowed to continue their own investigations. The outcome of this case will likely have lasting implications for both the Biden family and the American political landscape. The federal gun case against Hunter Biden centered on a firearm purchase. Hunter Biden, a self-admitted drug user, had falsely claimed on a federal firearms transaction form that he was not using illegal drugs. The prosecution argued that Hunter Biden's actions demonstrated a blatant disregard for the law. The defense team, however, painted a different picture, emphasizing his struggle with addiction and efforts towards recovery. They argued for leniency, suggesting probation as a more appropriate sentence. The judge, weighing both sides, ultimately accepted the terms of the plea deal. The deal included a period of probation and strict monitoring. This case underscored the complexities of balancing legal accountability with mitigating circumstances. President Biden faced a moral and political quandary. Calls for a presidential pardon for Hunter Biden came from some quarters, while others condemned the idea. Some argued that a pardon would demonstrate compassion and protect Hunter Biden from a flawed justice system. Others, however, argued that a pardon would undermine the rule of law. President Biden, acutely aware of the ethical implications, remained resolute in his stance. He refused to interfere with the judicial process. This decision, while praised by some for upholding the integrity of the justice system, also drew criticism. The president's decision underscored his commitment to the principles of justice and accountability. The Hunter Biden case sent shockwaves through the political landscape. Republicans seized upon the case, using it to attack President Biden and his administration. They accused the president of being soft on crime and claimed that Hunter Biden received preferential treatment. Democrats, on the other hand, largely defended President Biden and his handling of the situation. They argued that Hunter Biden, as a private citizen, deserved due process. They accused Republicans of exploiting a personal tragedy for political gain. This case served as a lightning rod for political opportunism. It highlighted the deep polarization that characterizes American politics. The Hunter Biden case gripped the nation, sparking intense debate and dividing public opinion. Public reaction to the case mirrored the partisan divide. Supporters of President Biden expressed sympathy for Hunter Biden, viewing him as a troubled individual battling personal demons. Conversely, critics of President Biden saw the case as evidence of hypocrisy and corruption. They questioned the president's integrity and his commitment to upholding the law. They demanded further investigation. This case served as a Rorschach test for public opinion. It exposed the deep fissures within American society. It highlighted the challenges of achieving a shared understanding of justice and accountability in a highly polarized political climate. The Hunter Biden case, with its complex legal and political ramifications, holds significant implications for the American justice system. It underscores the challenges of ensuring equal justice for all. The case reignited the debate over prosecutorial discretion and the influence of power dynamics in legal proceedings. It raised questions about the fairness and impartiality of the justice system. Some argued that Hunter Biden's treatment demonstrated a double standard. The case also highlighted the enduring power of partisan politics in shaping public discourse. It demonstrated how political biases can cloud judgment and hinder efforts to achieve a shared understanding of right and wrong. The Hunter Biden case serves as a cautionary tale about the fragility of American democracy.